Hey guys, if you haven't heard of me before, my name is Robert Benjamin. I'm a paid media expert and entrepreneur. I've sold tens of millions of dollars worth of stuff on Amazon, whether it's through my own businesses or through businesses that I consult with, and I wanted to give you my honest review on JungleScout. And before I get into it, unlike other YouTubers, I'm not affiliated with JungleScout at all. I don't have an affiliate link. I'm not gonna make a bad review about it and give you an affiliate link to another product. This is just my honest review on the product after using it for not only my own business, but dozens of other businesses that I consult with on the side. If you're overall interested in learning how to grow and scale an Amazon business, you could be at $0 right now, you could be at $50,000 a month right now. I do have a series growing from $0 to $60,000 a month on Amazon, where I give away literally everything from SEO to on-page research to niche research, PPC, promotions, launch strategies, everything. So subscribe, favorite this video, comment below, and go check out my other videos on that. No matter what stage you're at, whether you want to start an Amazon business, you already have an Amazon business that's thriving, JungleScout is definitely an essential for you. One of the reasons that I love JungleScout so much is one, they're constantly adding products and they really listen to what their customers want and need. And their help section is absolutely amazing. You can contact them, you can email them. It doesn't matter if there's a bug in their system or you have a question, they're gonna get back to you within 24 hours, which is absolutely amazing and unlike any other Amazon software out there. In addition to that, a few of my favorite features that they have are one, you could do keyword research, you could do product research. You can literally type in competitor ASINs or your to-be competitors if you haven't started your business yet and see what keywords are ranking for. You do keyword research, you could find out how much you're gonna be paying in your PPC campaigns, how much volume there is, whether or not those search terms are trending up and down. You can also watch your products and see how their SEO rank changes. You could do email campaigns and you could set up promotions. And that's just touching the tip of the iceberg of what you can do within JungleScout. Now I wanna give you guys an in-depth view of it from the platform, so here we go. For starters, with the JungleScout extension, if I type something in, example, ceramic wall planters, and then I come over here, I know it's out of the view, but if I click this extension here, it's gonna drop into my screen, it's gonna populate, it's gonna give me a ton of data, the average monthly sales, average sales rank, the average price, average number of reviews. It's also gonna spit out an opportunity score. I would take this opportunity score as a grain of salt, but this extension really does give you a pretty good overview of what your opportunity is gonna look like. You could see the monthly sales, daily sales, monthly revenue, how many reviews for each product. So this is really awesome. No other product offers a great extension like this. But in addition to this, and what I find really helpful is if you go into JungleScout and pay for more than just the extension, which again is going to cost you $39.99 a month, well worth it, well worth every penny. This is a user interface that you're going to come to. So up here, find products. You could use their product database, a product tracker, an opportunity finder, a niche hunter. So just to give you guys what this looks like here, you could filter by categories, average amount of units sold, competition, average price, the listing quality score, niche score, and then word count. You could include and exclude certain keywords, and then what it's going to do is spit out down here different niches that you guys should be looking for products within. In addition to that, they have the supplier here, so you could track your supplier stuff here. You could source a product, you could create a supplier group. Totally honest, I don't really like this feature. I like using just manually Alibaba better, but once again, I still think it's worth it. If you guys have never searched for a product before, never searched for a supplier before, definitely useful to you. In addition, they have Keyword Scout where you could enter something in, for example, ceramic wall planter, search, it's gonna spit out all relevant keywords, the 30-day search volume, the trends, it's gonna give you the dominant category, how many giveaways they recommend in order to rank in the top 3 for 7 to 14 days. So the way that I look at this, instead of just looking at it as a giveaway, that's how many sales that you need for 7 to 14 days in a row in order to rank in the top 3 for that search term, which is incredibly helpful. They also give you the headline search ad bid, a PPC bid on exact and broad, the ease to rank, and then a relevancy score. So you could build out certain keyword lists. So as you can see, I've built some out for PPC converters. These are keywords that are converting within this account, and then also common and competitor keywords, keywords to rank for, and I'll show you what we could do with these lists later. But if we keep going, you could build a listing builder. So I'll show you guys an example here. So you could drop in your keyword list that you've already created. So for example, keywords to rank for, click next, And then this is going to allow you to build out your listing, which is huge for SEO. It's going to say I type air planter or air plant in here. It's going to cross this off so that I know that I use that keyword, which is amazing, right? It has the title, all the features, it has your description, and then also has back-end search terms. This is going to be incredibly beneficial when you guys are building out or revamping your SEO on each of your products. So in addition to that, there's also a rank tracker. So you could put your ASIN in here and it'll tell you how many keywords you're tracking for, how many of these keywords you're showing up in the top 10, and how many you're showing up in the top 50. So for example, for this product, I can track our organic ranking for all of these keywords that we want to be ranking for over time. And if I click into one of them here, you could see a historical graph. So as you guys could see, November 18th, we were ranked over 100, and now we're around the 20 spot. So you could track all of those things for the keywords that you want to be ranking for. There are email campaigns that you could build out. These are great when you're trying to get more reviews on your product. The really great thing here is that they do have templates, or you could build out your own custom ones. As you guys could see, we have delivered. We're going to wait 0 days, and then there's a custom template email. I could go into this just to show you guys what this looks like. It's super easy to build out. You could send yourself a test email. You could send yourself a preview of an email. This really is a great feature. You could build out new triggers. For any of you guys that have used a CRM or email system in the past, this is kind of a simplified version of that, but it really gets the job done for Amazon. And this is, I would say, the best feature about JungleScout is you could launch promotions, and what it does, it basically, you're giving a promotion, in which case you could give 10% off up to 100% off to buyers that are going to buy something, and all these people are bargain hunters. The likelihood that they're going to leave a review is really high since they're searching for bargains, and these people are not just your run-of-your-mill buyer, but people that are really buying things, want a discount, and are willing to leave a review for it. There's no contract that says that they have to leave a review for it, but this is, I would say, one of the #1 ways between promotions and email campaigns for you guys to, 1, launch, and then 2, grow a new product on Amazon or spike sales on an existing product. So in addition to that, and JungleScout's building this out more in depth right now, sales analytics, so you can put in your costs here and build out a profit overview. You can see your net margins, your ROI. They're also going to have PPC built into this soon. You can track your inventory here, how much your reorder cost is going to be, how much your reorder profit is, how many sales you're getting a day, and then date to reorder, and then how many to reorder. As you guys could see, I haven't messed around with this much. I haven't filled this out. This is a very new feature on JungleScout, but nevertheless, a great feature that I think is going to be a great addition once we get this built out for these products. And then you could track all of your products here. You could track all of your product costs so that you could see what your margins are, how much it's going to cost to ship, any miscellaneous costs, and then product lead time. So this is also going to allow you to track when you need to reorder. It's going to allow you to track your margins all in one place. So typically in the past, you would have another software that did this, or you would have this on an Excel sheet. So it's great that JungleScout's building out the features that allow you to do it right here. But to be totally honest, what really makes JungleScout worth it, I think, are these 3 things right here between launch, keywords, and find products. It doesn't matter what stage you're at, whether you haven't launched a product before or your product's already up and selling. This is going to allow you to take your selling to the next level and your tracking to the next level, because I'm sure, as you guys know, the things that you track in business are the things that grow. So just another example that I wanted to show you guys here, and I need to get out of this extension. One other thing that I wanted to show you guys that I think is absolutely amazing is if I want to look at a competitor listing here, for example, this listing, if I come down and grab their ASIN, and this is probably my favorite feature on JungleScout. If I grab their ASIN and come back into JungleScout, go to keywords, go to Keyword Scout, and then enter that ASIN, this is literally going to spit out all of the keywords that this ASIN is ranking for, which is absolutely amazing that you could do this, especially on JungleScout, because this is going to allow you to see, you know, their dominant category, what keywords they're ranking for. You could really get a feel for what keywords you should be putting in your listing, whether you already have a listing launched. If you're just looking for a niche and you're trying to find a product, what keywords you'll need to rank for, and you'll get a really good feel for their 30-day trends, how many searches they have, and then also how many sales that you guys are going to have in order to rank really high for these keywords. So there you guys have it. That's my honest review of JungleScout. I gave you guys a look under the hood so you could see all the features and things like that before you guys end up purchasing the platform. Like I said, it doesn't matter if you're in the beginning phases and you're looking for a product to sell or you already have a business. There are a ton of things that you could benefit from. I know I didn't go super in depth with all the features. I will be making follow-up videos to all of them and really show you guys all the cool things that you could do. I just wanted to give you a broad overview and let you guys know this gets my thumbs up. Definitely go buy JungleScout. For only $39.99 a month, you really can't beat it because it's gonna unlock the opportunity for one, you to build an Amazon business and really go into it, doing enough research to really enter this space and really say with confidence that I could be able to sell this many products, this niche is getting this many searches, etc. Or you could really scale your business knowing now with the in-depth analytics, how many sales you need to get in 7 to 14 day period to be able to rank in the top 3, what your competitors are ranking for, etc. Overall, it's just a really great user interface. They're constantly adding new things, and it's an all-in-one where you can really track and grow your business.